This is Mike from MPC Stuff. Today we're going to install the PortSaver onto the MPC Live II. These are a new product that we have to, basically the main thing that we're doing here is to save our ports from being pulled out or yanked out the side. They also come in various colors. You can do custom colors, and then we have the standard colors, which will be black, red, and then the retro color. So now we're going to go ahead here and we're going to show how this installs onto our MPC Live II. There's two screws. That's all we have to do is remove those two with a Phillips screwdriver. Once they're removed, you'll see that the PortSaver will line up exactly with the back to protect those ports when they're plugged in from being yanked out and causing excess stress on the carrier board. All right, now you have it. It's nice and secure on the back of the unit. It looks kind of cool too. Now we're going to show the power cord going in. You see it fits tightly. There are different versions of the power cord, so keep in mind you might have an aftermarket one, but they all should fit, and the most secure will be the original one because that's what this is designed from. Akai had 4 different iterations of that power cord, so some are thicker or thinner than others. And then we're also going to plug in our USB. As you can see, it's nice and tight in there. The USB is the one that usually sees the most problems that we see when we see carrier boards broken. So now we have it all installed. You might come across here, like you see here, that you're trying to put a jump drive in and it won't fit, or a longer USB. So if you want, you can do the add-ons here, where we have an add-on adapter extension, so we can extend it so we can use these jump drives that we're using previously, or a thicker cord that might be an older style one. We also have a USB-C version. That way, if you want to convert this to USB-C, which a lot of units are using now, a lot of things have converted to USB-C. You probably noticed on your cell phone and other things of that nature. So there you have it, the PortSaver for the Akai MPC.